Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Thermador kitchen. My name is Chef John Cardona, and today we're taking a journey. We're heading over to Piedmont, Italy by cooking a what is in season recipe from Garden & Gun magazine on our Thermador Liberty Induction Cooktop. So check this out. The first thing we actually did here today was we grabbed some radicchio, we cut it in quarters, and then we tossed in some oil and salt. We griddled the radicchio on the bottom portion of our teppanyaki pan on level 6. At the same time, we also sauteed some Swiss chard on level 8. We did this utilizing a mode called joint split mode. Joint split mode allows me to cook two different menu items at the same time, utilizing two separate cooking zones or temperature zones. Also, we have Bagna Cauda sauce. And Bagna Cauda sauce was actually made utilizing heat shift mode. Heat shift mode allows me to change the heat level of my food or my pan by vertically moving the pan up and down without having to touch the display. So Bagna Cauda, what is it? Bagna Cauda literally translates to hot bath. Bagna Cauda sauce originated back in the 16th century in Piedmont, Italy, and it was used during the winter season. It's essentially a garlic and anchovy olive oil butter dipping sauce that they made for their bread and their veggies. But this sauce has so much umami and it's packed with so much flavor that you can use this for a topping for steak, for pork, pasta, polenta, and pizza. It's really amazing. I would actually put this even on some asparagus as well too. So that's Bagna Cauda sauce. It's a really delicious sauce and I really enjoy it. So with that said, now it's time to have this journey be finalized by sitting down with my family, sharing stories, and having a good time. Thank you very much, and we hope that you enjoyed cooking this Garden & Gun recipe on our Thermador Liberty Induction Cooktop. See you next time.